And this is Wednesday, 11:13. As you can see, once again, no volume whatsoever. I could change it to FM. No volume whatsoever. I just turned the car on from my garage, driving down the street, turned AM.
That's about it.
AM
but ultimately, they didn't
does
speak.
work. Now I go to FM and it goes in. So what's happening is, as soon as I click AM, it makes everything else work. So the FM now works. Satellite XM now works. AM there. Sound would not come on until I hit the AM. In addition to that, sporadically the sound still will leave one speaker and then come back on. Every once in a blue moon I still get that pop, but this has been happening since the day after I purchased the Jeep. All right, that's all. Thanks. Bye.